G'day, here's a small parcel of small pieces of Boulder Opal from various fields in Queensland. The reel's in millimetres. Some are rubs, some are offcuts. A piece like that, I'd cut it like so and make the opal in the centre feature. Piece of matrix. Some of the, like I say, some of these are just offcuts. It's quite bright little green, blue stone. Just a chip. Looks like a bit of lightning ridge potch. A bit of ridge potch. These came from a cutter, so quite often cutters do more than one type of opal and bits been mixed in. But anyway, there's a little deal for keep you amused. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.